Hello and welcome. In this short video, we will show you how the latest Baumer HHS solution can be used to safely and reliably monitor adhesive application in the multipoint gluer on corrugated and heavy board. Monitoring must be safe. That means adhesive application must be reliable, detected even on curved and fluctuating substrates. But it also has to ensure that the valuable sensors and the glue application valve are protected from damage. Corrugated and solid board are characterized by high flexural rigidity. A bump or jamming of the substrate can quickly damage the valuable components. The new valve kit for monitoring in the multipoint gluer fulfills both requirements. The new ULT400 XL sensor reliably detects glue application even on difficult substrates. And the components of the valve set are protected from getting damaged by the robust product guide. The new product guide is more than just a sheet of metal. Its robust design provides indestructible protection for all the components of the valve set. The highlight is the new ULT400 XL monitoring sensor, the product guide to protect the product. During monitoring, the product is allowed to fluctuate by 25 millimeters. This means that even uneven or fluttering products are reliably monitored. Monitoring takes place without the use of adhesives in the adhesive. This is an advantage for packaging that is used in the food and beverage sector. The light barrier for product detection is also enclosed and protected from damage. Another highlight is the new PX1000 cold glue gun. The glue is greatly accelerated and safely applied to the product, even over long distances, thanks to the new extremely powerful drive of the PX1000. With the new valve set, continuous monitoring is now also reliably possible in multipoint gluers. This has been confirmed by extensive testing under real production conditions. Customer feedback has also been absolutely positive. With this reliable monitoring, the risk of costly customer complaints due to incorrectly glued products is eliminated. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. We hope it has sparked your interest. For further information, please do not hesitate to contact your local Baumer HHS representative.